stage, 2 by 2. They come by the grandstands. Eric Almirola, Ryan Blaney. We're racing in Atlanta.
It's gonna be green.
19, you see the big wiggle, great save, great wreck of points by the 11, and with the 38. See right here what happens. Oh, gets caught by the 34.
Alweer wrong driver.
Toyota.
Halo Roos, I am here for revenge.
Remember терпение властями утритать.
I will let you live.
Hello people of Georgia, I'm here to give you some action.
Before Eric ever touched him, he got sideways.
Good, but we can do better.
Hey Demi, remember what you did last week? Wait, if you are trying to get revenge on me it won't work because I was getting revenge on you for spinning me, so it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, but that doesn't stop me from spinning you.
Listen, Alex, it is against all logic to
say goodbye.
Hello Bubbles, it is time to spin my wheel to see who I'm gonna spin today.
Wait, this seems incredibly unfair.
See, the rain is nice, but I don't really like getting wet.
Oh, come on!
Hey guys, what's up? I just got the brand new Grimace shake from McDonald's.
No, 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 no!